What is the KonMari method of decluttering? Marie Kondo's book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, centers on Kondo's particular method called the KonMari method of decluttering a home or office. So what is the KonMari method? The KonMari method encourages people to get rid of items which have no purpose or do not spark joy and only keep items that are purposeful and meaningful. Check out the main points of the Japanese organizing experts' decluttering philosophy so that you can decide whether the KonMari method is right for you. Be prepared to discard items. Kondo's theory is centered around getting rid of stuff. Therefore, the more you get rid of, it is easier to tidy up and stay organized. Acquire a new mindset. It is better to consistently tidy up and get rid of unnecessary items instead of cleaning them. Tidy your entire space at once. The KonMari method stresses tidying everything in your home at once instead of doing it in small steps. Tidying up should be a special event and not a part of your household chores. Don't dwell on storage. Your storage, such as closets and shelving units, should be functional for your lifestyle. Kondo emphasizes tidying by item category, not the locations where the items are kept. For instance, say you keep clothes in a closet, a dresser, and an attic storage bin. Rather than tidying each of those areas at different times, bring all of the clothing together to go through it at the same time. Use the two-part system. The KonMari method has two parts: discarding and organizing. First, you must fully complete the discarding stage where you get rid of all the clutter. Then you can organize the items you plan to keep. Choose what to keep. Tidying up results in getting rid of several items for many people. But the KonMari method ultimately asks you to choose what you want to keep, not what you should throw away. Hold each item you possess in your hands and ask yourself whether it sparks joy. If the answer is yes, keep it. If no, discard it. Work in a specific order. When discarding items, Kondo says you must begin with clothes, followed by books, papers, miscellaneous items, and mementos. Within those categories, Kondo provides a further breakdown. For example, in the clothing category, you must move from tops to bottom, jackets, socks, and more. Learn to fold clothes. Kondo's technique is big on folding clothes. To be worthy of keeping each article of clothing, it must spark joy. Then, if it's not a hanging item, it must be folded in a specific manner so that it takes minimal space. Keep things personal. Kondo says, tidying up is a personal process, completed by yourself, as only you will know whether an item sparks joy for you. Avoid any outside influences that might sway your opinion one way or another. Also, you should not discard the belongings of anyone else who lives in your home without their permission. Only keep a small and valuable collection of photos, books, paperwork so that they do not collect dust or take up extra space. Store like items together. Kondo favors ultimate simplicity in storage. A primary principle of this is keeping like items together rather than storing them in various places around your home. For example, keep coats in just one closet rather than various closets and hooks, even within one room. Try to keep like items together, such as dedicating just one cabinet to drinking glasses in your kitchen. Embrace life changes. Kondo believes tidying up can change and make you more organized and focused in life.